Hey, welcome to new episodes of Exclusively Racing Vlogs. I'm William, and today's video is going to be a quick video about the K20 Swap 025, obviously, because I've got all the things that I need right now. I've got these two these rose joints for these half nuts, which I'm not sure I'm going to use, and the two bolts for the uprights. The bolts that go over here. I said I'm going to do it off camera, but I can make a quick little video, and these are like threaded rods that I needed to actually bolt. But these go in here, and I've got the correct English size Allen key for this bolt actually. So yeah, let's install this stuff. The thing that I'm going to do now is actually grind off this bit of these two bolts, so I can use these threaded rods for the T-rod ends. Put them over in here, lock them up with these, and then install it. But maybe, not quite sure, I have to shorten up these bits a little, because these were a bit longer than I expected. But we'll see. I have to cut those things first, so let's do that. So after I cut these bolts, I end up with a system like this. This is how it's gonna go, and just like that. I think this is a way better system. Usually like one of these finding one that's extended, which is like nearly impossible to find. But this is actually a good alternative, and I think it will work great, even though the alignment has to be done again. But you know, that's that's a secondary thing. So yeah, now let's install the other one, and then that's about it. So now, check this out. Both sides now is now fitted. All of the nuts and bolts are in. This side, check this out. Nice and tight. It actually looks really nice. Only thing that you need to do now is an alignment and put the front end back on. But yeah, that's probably for another day. And yeah, I want to thank you all for watching in this short video. But hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Later on. So thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And talking about more, you can click on one of these two videos to see some more from the channel. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Later.